Hey everyone, it's Mr. Fleece here, and today I want to teach you the border technique with color pencil. This is a coloring technique I like to use to add emphasis to the lines that are used in my design. Let's get in it. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my pencil and I'm going to darken the border, hence the name border technique. Putting a dark border around the edge of the shape that I'm drawing is going to create emphasis of the lines and shapes that I'm drawing. So now it really stands out that I'm drawing a square with this orange pencil. Then what I like to do is work diagonally and shade lightly, put a light layer, and work diagonally across my space, just like so. And there's one layer. Then I like to cross hatch. So I'm going to flip my paper and I'm going to color diagonally again, but in the opposite direction, to add a darker layer to increase the saturation. You can see the difference in saturation by adding just one more layer. I'm not really changing the pressure all that much. I'm just putting another layer of pencil on top of the first layer, and it's changing that saturation quite a bit. If I want it a bit darker, then I just rotate again and add even a third layer hatched in the other direction. Just like so. You can see again, there's another shade darker that's happening. And fade this together. That's going to create really nice pencil lines in your work. If you stay consistent, you're going to have a lot of success, and you're going to have a lot of repetition in your artwork to create a cohesive final piece. And that's how you use the border technique. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to use the border technique to enhance your coloring. Take care, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.